Hello, budding artist. Welcome to a day filled with creativity and fun. Today, we're embarking on a creative adventure. Not with clay, but with eyeliner. Yes, you heard that right. Eyeliner can be just as expressive and artistic. Winged eyeliner is a classic look that lifts and brightens your eyes, giving them a little wing of their own. It's a timeless style that never goes out of fashion. It's elegant, playful, and suits everyone. Think of it as art for your face. Whether you're going for a subtle look or something more dramatic, winged eyeliner can do it all. It might seem tricky, but with a bit of patience, you'll master it in no time. Remember, practice makes perfect, and every attempt gets you closer to that flawless wing. This guide is for beginners, breaking the process into easy steps. We'll walk you through each stage so you can follow along and learn at your own pace. No need to rush, just have fun and express yourself. Makeup is all about creativity and personal expression, so let your imagination run wild. Your winged eyeliner will be unique to you, like your own signature. It's a reflection of your style and personality. Ready to become a master of the wing? Let's get started. Grab your eyeliner and let's dive into this exciting journey together. It's going to be a cracking good time. Let's make some magic happen. Before we dive into the fun part, let's make sure we have all our essentials lined up and ready to go. Having everything within arm's reach will make the process smoother and way more enjoyable. First up, grab a felt tip eyeliner pen. These pens are super easy to control, making them perfect for beginners and pros alike. Their precise tips help you create sharp lines without any fuss, so you can focus on having fun rather than stressing about mistakes. When it comes to color, you can't go wrong with classic black or brown. They're timeless and suit every look. But don't be afraid to branch out. If you're feeling adventurous, try a navy, plum, or even a bold green for a pop of personality. Next, reach for an eyeshadow primer. This little tube is your secret weapon for a flawless finish. It creates a smooth, even base on your eyelids and helps your eyeliner stay put all day, so you won't have to worry about smudging or fading. You only need a tiny dab. Just a small amount on your eyelid will do the trick. Gently blend it in with your fingertip for a seamless canvas. Don't forget to keep some cotton buds and a bottle of makeup remover close by. These are your best friends for quick touch-ups and fixing any little slip-ups along the way. If your line goes a bit wonky or you want to sharpen the edge, just dip a cotton bud in remover and gently erase the mistake. It's like having an undo button for your makeup. With these simple tools laid out, you're all set and ready for action. It's amazing what you can achieve with just a few basics. Remember, you don't need any fancy gadgets or complicated equipment. Just the basics are more than enough to create a stunning look. Now that you've got your cracking contraptions assembled, let's move on to building your perfect wing. Time to create your wing. This is the step where your look really starts to come together, and you get to express your own unique style. Whether you're aiming for a bold, dramatic wing or something more subtle, the process is the same. Start by prepping your eyelid with primer and let it dry completely. Primer helps your eyeliner glide on smoothly and stay put all day, preventing smudging or fading. Don't skip this step. It makes a big difference. Sit comfortably and steady your elbow on a table or flat surface. This will help keep your hands steady, making it much easier to draw precise lines, especially if you're new to eyeliner. Look straight into a mirror and imagine a line from your eye's outer corner toward the end of your eyebrow. This imaginary line is your guide for the perfect wing angle, tailored to your eye shape. Place a small dot where you want your wing to end. This dot acts as a target, helping you keep both wings even and symmetrical. Draw a line from your upper lash line to the dot. This sets your wing's angle. Don't worry if it's not perfect on the first try. You can always clean up the edges later. Next, draw a second line from the dot back to the middle of your upper lash line, forming a small triangle at the outer corner of your eye. This triangle is the foundation of your wing. Fill in the triangle with your eyeliner pen, making sure the color is even and opaque. Take your time here. Building up the color gradually can help you avoid mistakes. Now, connect the wing to your upper lash line with a thin line from the inner corner out. Try to keep the line as close to your lashes as possible for a seamless look. Don't press too hard. A light touch is best. Let the pen or brush do the work for you, gliding gently across your skin. Trust the process, even if it looks odd at first. Eyeliner can look strange before it's finished, but small adjustments will bring it all together. You've just built your first wing. Take a moment to admire your work and see how it enhances your eye shape. Repeat on the other eye, adjusting for your unique shape. Remember, practice makes perfect, and each time you try, you'll get a little better. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the wing style that suits you best. Here are some clever tricks for a flawless wing. Use sticky tape or a credit card as a guide for a sharp edge. Look down into a mirror to stretch your eyelid for a smoother line. Gently pull the outer corner of your eye for a taut surface. Use short, connected strokes instead of one long line for more control. Don't stress about making both wings identical. Aim for balance, not perfection. Small differences add charm and show your handiwork. Relax and enjoy the process. Your wings are uniquely yours. Mistakes happen. Here's how to fix them. If your wing is too thick or long, use a cotton bud with remover to tidy it up. For shaky lines, use short, connecting strokes instead of one sweep. If there's a gap between your liner and lashes, try tight lining. Gently fill in the upper waterline. Don't worry about little blunders. They're part of learning. Clean up edges with a cotton bud for a sharp finish. Practice will make your lines steadier. Every mistake is a step toward mastering your wing. Keep experimenting and don't get discouraged. You're on your way to pro-level wings. Like any skill, winged eyeliner takes practice. Set aside time to experiment. No pressure, just play. Try different wing shapes and lengths to see what suits you. Practice on the back of your hand to get comfortable with your pen. Watch tutorials and look at photos for inspiration, but adapt techniques to your features. Each attempt builds muscle memory and confidence. Don't worry about perfection. Focus on progress. Your unique style will emerge with practice. Soon, applying eyeliner will feel natural. Keep at it. You'll be a pro before you know it. You've reached the end of your eyeliner adventure, and what a journey it's been. You have the tools, the know-how, and the confidence to create your own unique winged look. Remember, it's all about having fun, experimenting, and expressing yourself in your own style. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small or big it may seem. Don't chase perfection. Enjoy the journey and embrace every moment. Put on some music, grab your mirror, and let your creativity flow freely. Wear your wings with pride, whether they're sharp, bold, or a bit quirky. Every attempt is a victory worth celebrating. You're an artist. Go create your masterpiece with confidence. It's going to be absolutely smashing, and you totally deserve it.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.